Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 3 electric pressure cookers that are seriously going to level up your cooking game. Whether you're just starting out in the kitchen or you're a seasoned pro, these gadgets are about to make your life so much easier. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the ultimate all-rounder, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. This thing packs 7 cooking functions into one device, from pressure cooking to slow cooking to making your own yogurt. With 13 customizable programs, you can whip up everything from hearty soups to indulgent cakes in no time flat. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for feeding the whole family, and cleanup is a breeze since both the lid and the inner pot are dishwasher safe. Next, let's talk about the Cosori Pressure Cooker 6QD, a 9-in-1 multi-cooker. This one comes loaded with 12 safety features, so you can cook with total peace of mind. The improved venting design and stainless steel interior make cleaning super easy. And with all its cooking modes, from pressure cooking to steaming, it's pretty much got every culinary need covered. Finally, let's check out the DUMOS 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This all-in-one beast replaces a whole bunch of appliances and comes with 12 smart presets for perfect results every single time. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for family meals, and the comprehensive safety systems mean you can cook with complete confidence. On top of that, the durable ceramic pot makes cleanup seriously hassle-free. And that's a wrap on our pressure cooker lineup. Don't forget to subscribe for more cooking tips and tricks. See you in the next one.